Hello lovely viewers, it's your girl Christy aka Niki CH and welcome back to the Matter Gags Brony Obetimi Akan. Yes, can the white speak my dialect? Do you really want to know?
Yes! You agree? Yes!
Follow me. Hi, please, what's your name?
I'm Nadia.
Nadia, do you have a nickname?
No, it's just Nadia.
Nadia, nice name. This is my African dialect. Can you read it?
Yes, I'll try.
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Some 23, 5 to 6.
Okay. Voto me pono, ma tamfo anim, voden gofo metirim, me kuruva yema buso.
Thank you. Continue.
Ampaara yene ade nko, na ebeji makiri, men kwa na nyana.
Wait, what is that?
Nina, na metena, awarade fida amen.
Welcome to the Matter Gags. Hi, please what's your name?
Hi, my name's Donovan.
Donovan, do you have a nickname?
Yeah, Don, usually, short.
Don, okay, nice. Don, this is my Ghanaian dialect. Can you read it?
I'll try.
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Psalm 23, 5 to 6.
Yeah, Voto me pono, matam fo, anim wodo nungo fume tirim.
Hey, what a surprise.
Me kuruwa ye mabuso, ampara yene adjoe nko na ebedi makire ebedi makire menkwa na ninya na metena awurade fida amen.
Amen. Welcome to the Matter Gags. Hi, please what's your name?
Hi, I'm Simona. Nice to meet you.
Simona, do you have a nickname?
Sorry?
Do you have a nickname?
No, it's just Simona.
Okay, Simona, well, this is my dialect. Can you read it?
Okay, yes, I'll try.
Look at it.
Some 23, 5 to 6.
Woto me pono, matamfo, amim wonde, nogomofoma trim.
What?
Wonde, nogomofoma trim.
Okay, now I got it. Okay, I got it.
Continue. No problem.
Me kuruva yemambuso, ampa, yai, nebore no na ebi, my makiri, men kwane, nya, na metena, awarade fieda, amen.
Welcome to the Matter Gags. Please, what's your name?
Anastasia.
Anastasia, nice name. Do you have a nickname?
No, but most people call me Anna.
Anna. Oh, okay. Well, this is my dialect, and can you read it?
Yes. Psalm 23, verse 5 to 6. Whatso me puno matamfu enim, odi ingo for mitirimu, me kuruwa ye mabuso, ampara, yene adoye enko, sorry. Yene adoye enko na ebedi metri, me nkwa na nina na metimi eradi, matina eradi fieda, amen.
A word of storyteller. Are you sure? Well done. Clap on for yourself. Give it up, give it up, give it up.
Welcome to the Matter Gags. We want to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, to our participants, and to everyone watching us. Big ups. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all options so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment and share.